Today, we're diving into some of biology's most surprising connections, starting with nerve fibers.
Sounds kind of weird, right? But trust me, the answer reveals something fundamental about life itself. Both rely on these amazing, high-speed networks to move vital stuff where it needs to go. So first up, the animal kingdom's own information superhighway, also known as the neuron. This little cell is the basic building block of our brain, our spinal cord, all of it. It's like a tiny processing station. Signals come in, get sorted, and then sent right back out. The axon is the main data cable, just zapping information across the entire nervous system. But how do they move so unbelievably fast? Well, the secret is all about insulation. This fatty layer acts like an electrical insulator, and it dramatically boosts the signal's speed. So with this insulation, the signal doesn't just crawl, it literally leaps from gap to gap. As you can see, that one feature, insulation, makes a massive difference in speed, color, you name it. Okay, let's switch kingdoms, because animals aren't the only ones with these kinds of systems. Plants basically have a two-way highway. One pipe sends water up, the other sends food down. And here's a wild fact. The water pipe is made of dead cells, but the food pipe is alive. So we have these two totally different systems. How do they really stack up side by side? So one system moves pure information, electricity. The other moves actual physical stuff, like sap. It's just a brilliant example of how different living things evolved unique solutions to the same problem. And once you start looking for them, you start to see these incredible hidden highways absolutely everywhere.